Hello everyone, I'm back. How are you? For today's vlog is I am gonna do the Ligo challenge again. Another challenge accepted. Another requested that I accepted. So first, I'm gonna do my lipstick first to have a red lips while taking a shower or bath or tabu. Oh my gosh, I forgot my tabu. I need to get my tabu. But I'm gonna finish this. Inipin ko, nagkaroon na ng lipstick. Okay. Yan. Alright. I'll be back. I forgot my tabu because I'm not gonna use a shower. I'm gonna use a balde and a tabu because this time I'm gonna do this olive oil. This is requested by Liza Lamok. Hi Liza Lamok. Here's your request. She said I'm gonna take this onto my body. Olive oil. Olive oil tayo today. So I'm gonna get my tabu first.
A few moments later.
I'm back and now I got my shampoo here and then I got my tabu and then I got my balde. Menard's balde. I get my balde here. I'm not gonna use the shower because it is an oil. You know, it's gonna be an oily in the bathroom. If I'm gonna do a shower, it's gonna splash everywhere. It takes time for me to clean again. So I am gonna use the tabu and the balde, a pail or a batcha. So next, I'm ready to roll. Ready na ba kayo? Are you ready? Let's get started. Ooh, ready to roll. Bilog, bilog na. Okay. Am I ready? Alright, so it's time for me to open the oil. My gosh. It's open. It's open, guys. Open. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. Ilang buhos ng oil. Oh my gosh. One of my socks. Uy, oh. Oy, Liza Lamok, ito na yung oil mo. Ay! Ang dulas! Oh my gosh! Ang dulas! Oh my gosh! I'm so shiny now. May olive oil na ako. Liza Lamok! Ubusin ko ba to, Liza Lamok? O ubusin ko ba to? Lalagay ko ba sa mukha? Oh my gosh! Ang oily nito, grabe.
DJ Kim, Idol. DJ Kim, Idol.
Now I'm gonna try it to my face. Good luck!
Francis.
May natira pang konti.
Here we go again.
Pumasok sa mata ko.